Welcome to Back American Dream Mansions, the channel where dreams turn into reality. Today, we are taking you inside an ultra-luxury modern mansion that is a masterpiece of design, elegance, and sophistication. Featuring a sleek black and gray color palette, this home is a perfect blend of style and comfort, showcasing how contemporary living reaches its peak in the finest properties. As our drone takes a sweeping daytime view above the property, the full scale of this architectural marvel becomes visible. The clean lines, expansive glass walls, and meticulously landscaped driveway immediately capture your attention. This is the kind of home that impresses at first glance, offering both grandeur and modern charm in one breathtaking view. Entering through the grand entrance, we are greeted by a tall, designer pivot door and polished marble steps that set the tone for luxury living. The minimalist design, paired with natural daylight streaming through side panels, creates an atmosphere that is both inviting and opulent. Every detail, from the sleek flooring to the subtle lighting, has been carefully curated to evoke a sense of understated elegance. Moving into the main living room, the space feels open, airy, and bathed in natural light. Floor-to-ceiling windows allow sunlight to flood the interior, highlighting the black and gray designer furniture, marble accents, and carefully selected decor. This is a room made for relaxation and entertaining, combining comfort with a refined aesthetic. Ambient lighting adds warmth, while the modern artwork and luxurious textures provide visual depth, making every corner Instagram-ready. Next, we step into the TV lounge, a perfect blend of comfort and high-end style. The wall-mounted television is surrounded by subtle LED lighting, and the seating arrangement encourages both conversation and cozy movie nights. Black and gray tones continue here, creating a seamless flow with the rest of the home. The combination of elegance and functionality makes this lounge ideal for modern living. The kitchen is a chef's dream. Featuring black cabinetry, a gray marble island, and top-of-the-line built-in appliances, this space is as beautiful as it is practical. Daylight pours in through large windows, accentuating the clean lines and premium finishes. Whether preparing a family meal or entertaining guests, the kitchen is designed to impress, with every detail reflecting sophistication and efficiency. Adjacent to the kitchen is the dining area, which maintains the black and gray theme while offering a sense of grandeur. A marble dining table with sleek modern chairs sits under contemporary pendant lighting, creating the perfect ambiance for dinner parties or family gatherings. The open-plan layout ensures a seamless transition from cooking to dining, making entertaining effortless and stylish. The master bedroom is a sanctuary of calm and luxury. A king-size bed with soft gray linen sits at the center, surrounded by elegant wall panels and designer furniture. Natural light filters through floor-to-ceiling windows, highlighting the sophisticated textures and refined color palette. This is a space designed for ultimate relaxation, combining comfort with high-end design. The bathroom continues the luxury theme with black marble, gray tiles, and glass fixtures. A floating vanity, large shower, and spa-like ambiance make this a space to unwind after a long day. Modern lighting and minimalist decor enhance the serene atmosphere, turning everyday routines into a luxurious experience. Moving through the home, we explore the garage, which is as stylish as the interiors. Polished concrete floors, LED strip lighting, and a sleek black and gray design make this more than just a storage space, it's part of the overall luxury experience. High-end vehicles fit seamlessly into this environment, reflecting the modern sophistication of the home. The home gym offers premium equipment in a black and gray setting, complete with mirrors that enhance the sense of space. Natural light fills the room, creating an inviting environment for daily workouts while maintaining the luxurious aesthetic of the mansion. For a touch of unique luxury, the indoor swing area provides a playful yet elegant corner of the house. Minimalist decor, soft daylight, and cozy furnishings make it a perfect spot to relax, read, or enjoy a quiet moment, blending fun with sophistication. Finally, the swimming pool area offers an outdoor retreat. An infinity pool with a glass railing and modern seating reflects the black and gray theme, while the surrounding terrace provides space for sunbathing or entertaining. The daylight accentuates the sleek architectural lines, making this outdoor area as luxurious and inviting as the interiors. As we conclude our tour, don't forget to subscribe to American Dream Mansions to explore more of the world's most exquisite homes. From stunning modern mansions to contemporary estates, we bring you inside the spaces that define luxury living. Every property showcases design excellence, architectural brilliance, and a lifestyle that dreams are made of. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, whether it's a grand entrance, a luxurious lounge, or a private poolside retreat, American Dream Mansions is your ultimate destination for inspiration, elegance, and the finest in modern living.